In this video, I will guide you how you can set order quantity limit in Ecwid. So first of all, what is order quantity limit? So it allows you to specify the minimum or the maximum amount of order that is available per one order. For example, you might want customers to purchase at least 2 shirts in your store, or you want one person to buy at most 10 event tickets to avoid reselling, or any other case like that. You can set order limit for individual products, or you can also go with the product variation. So to do this, simply open up your catalog and then you just need to click on this edit product. Now once you are in, you just need to scroll down until you see this option of stock control. Then you just need to click on the order limit, and then you just need to enter the minimum and the maximum amount for that specific order. Right now I don't have a paid plan, but this is where your options will going to be. So that's the way of how you can set order limit quantity in Ecwid.